Okay, so I think I just found an insane deal on Facebook Marketplace. But if you don't know what's going on, this is a series where I flip gaming PCs, whether I buy them or build them. This is episode 2, and let's get back into the video. It is currently 5:18, what is it? Wednesday. I think I just completed this insane deal I'm about to pick up for this NZXT 3080 PC that was worth $2,000 and I'm getting it for $550. It seemed too good to be true, but I think it's gonna go well. Hopefully. This is foreshadowing, I hope, or I don't hope. Okay, so start off like that. I was telling them that they overpriced their computer. It was like $1,800 originally, right? It's a 3080, an i7 10th gen, and 32 gigabytes of RAM, pretty much, and it's ITX to be fair. Then they said thank you, like the day later, and then like 15 days later, they said, would you be interested for $650? Now, I almost took that, but I gave it a little while because I knew I could make money on it, but I didn't think it was gonna be that much. So I decided not to, considering the risks involved. And to be honest, I forgot about it. Then I said, is $550 possible? I wasn't really interested in buying. I knew I would make money on this, but I didn't think it would be worth it enough considering it's used, it could be damaged, there could be problems with it. And I'm pretty sure it was like a week later or something. And then they said they'll do it. They later sent video of it working and everything, and that we meet at a police station. So I'm about to go there right now. On my way. We got the PC. Dang, this thing is small. Just got back home. Look at this thing. Let's see if it turns on. Let's plug into that monitor. Oh, that looks really weird. Oh, Windows. Now it's time to set up everything. Let's do that real quick. About to run a stress test. The Steel Nomad stress test. Let's see how it does. Alright, looks like we passed the stress test. Not gonna lie, that MSI Mag logo looks mad glitch. Alright, they never actually overclock. If you see, the RAM speed is 2400. They never adjusted it. This thing is mad laggy, but enabled and 3200. That's probably what they have. And yeah. Alright, reset. Looks good so far. We got the MSI Mag logo that looks mad scuffed. And we're booted up, I believe. I'm pretty sure they had this PC for 2 years and the RAM was stuck at 2400 megahertz. Reminder, enable XMP or DOCP for AMD. Quick look into the PC. Look at that beast of a 3080. Look at this thing, man. It's so small. I listed this PC on Jawa for $910 on the 16th of June, and it sold the next day. And my payout was $800, but with shipping and everything else, it came out to be about $760, which means I made a little over $200. I think that's a W. Did I price this too low? Anyways, this is what I did after I sold it, in case you want to know what the shipping experience is like. And yeah, if you want to know the packaging experience of a more fragile computer, check out my last video, or maybe a future video. Now all what's left to do is drop it off at UPS. Just dropped off the mini PC, baby. And get that quick bread, son. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.